be real, Google Pixel 10's price tag is way lower than iPhone 16 Pro Max. But is iPhone really providing the performance to be on such a high place? Hey GadInsiders, welcome back. The $1,199 iPhone 16 Pro Max does take better photos than the $799 Google Pixel 10. But here's the surprise. The difference isn't nearly as wide as that $400 price gap suggests. Pixel phones have long carried a reputation for being the photographer's Android of choice, and the Pixel 10 lives up to that legacy. Its images are crisp, vibrant, and detailed. In fact, most of the time, if you weren't comparing them directly to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, you'd never know if that's the Pixel or an iPhone. While both have strong main and telephoto lenses, an Apple flexes a serious muscle with its 48-megapixel ultra-wide compared to the Pixel's modest 13MP. That extra detail does give the iPhone the edge in certain shots, especially in close-ups and ultra-wide landscapes. But here's the twist. In real-world use, the Pixel 10 holds its ground remarkably well. Now, if we take portraits in low light, Pixel's images are cleaner, smoother, with gorgeous bokeh. Fireworks and panoramas, the Pixel nailed them. Its clever pano system made Apple's swipe-to-capture method feel outdated. Night side also served results that stood shoulder to shoulder with Apple's best. Where the iPhone really separates itself is color and exposure range. A shot of a turtle swimming through green water showed off Apple's superior saturation and dynamic range, while the Pixel's colors felt flatter. Still, the Pixel often produced warmer, more natural tones, and sometimes even more pleasing. The iPhone 16 Pro Max remains the photography king, but the Pixel 10 at $799 is shockingly close, and for many shots, just as good. If you want pro-level photos without the pro-level price, then Pixel 10 is a hit. So what's your pick? Tell us in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.